Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about to fix or how to solve the problem of Weverse. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Weverse and you click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.